you're going to need a pair of googly eyes, a 5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a piece of yellow felt, a small amount of orange yarn, and a very small amount of green yarn. Cut the felt into a jack-o'-lantern smile, any style you want. We're going to make a basic circle. We're going to start with a chain 3 and slip stitch to join. We're going to chain 3 for our first double crochet, and then we're going to put 11 more double crochet in the loop. You should have 12 double crochet when you're done. Slip stitch to join. Round 2, we'll start with a chain 3 for our first double crochet, and then we will put a double crochet in the same space, and then 2 double crochet in each stitch around. Join with a slip stitch. I always like to add 1 extra stitch in the base of the beginning chain 3, even though it's going to give me an odd number. It just makes the circle even out. Grab a size larger hook. We're going to do a round of slip stitches very loosely. You don't want to pull it tight because it will warp the pumpkin. Finish with a slip stitch and cut your thread, leaving about a 6-inch tail. The slip stitches leave a nice, thick border. Using a smaller hook, weave in ends. Now we need to make a stem. We're going to attach the green, chain 4, and then slip stitch in each chain. Once you're done with that, cut the yarn and just tie off both of the tails and weave in the ends. Now all we have to do is glue on the eyes and the mouth. There's so many options with this. You can glue on a safety pin and wear it as a lapel pin. You can glue on a magnet and use it as a Friggy. And you can also glue on a hanger